Looking for the best HVAC services to keep your home cool and comfy without breaking the bank? Alright, here's the deal. When you're picking HVAC services, you want to find technicians who really know their stuff, especially AC technicians since they're like the MVPs in this field. These pros handle everything from installing new units to fixing those annoying breakdowns that hit right when you need your AC the most. If you're thinking about energy efficiency, geothermal systems should definitely be on your radar. They use the Earth's natural temperature to heat and cool your place, which is way better for your wallet and the planet. Open-loop geothermal systems are especially slick because they pull water from a well or lake, then pump it back after it's done its job, making the whole thing super efficient. When you're scheduling service, ask if the technician knows how to work with your specific system type. Some skills are more specialized than others. Don't forget to check reviews or ask neighbors for recommendations, because word of mouth can save you from a total nightmare. Also, regular maintenance is clutch for keeping your HVAC system running smooth and avoiding costly repairs later on. Lastly, make sure your technician is licensed and insured so you're covered if anything goes sideways. One of the biggest mistakes folks make when it comes to HVAC services is skipping routine maintenance. This can lead to clogged filters and reduced efficiency that skyrocket your energy bills, so just schedule those checkups every 6 months or so. Another common issue is hiring unlicensed or inexperienced technicians, which often results in shoddy repairs or improper installations. Always verify credentials before letting anyone touch your system. The third mistake is ignoring energy-efficient options like geothermal systems because they seem complex or pricey up front. But these systems actually save you loads over time by cutting down on fuel use and maintenance costs. Talk about a win-win. Fix these by setting reminders for maintenance, asking for proof of licensing, and exploring financing options or rebates for green HVAC setups. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their HVAC stuff and other home improvement needs. For contractors, it's a solid way to score new jobs and grow their business without all the hassle of hunting down clients on their own.